Hooray! Summer is coming. Paddling season is here. We are excited here at Velocity Adventures to get people out paddling. Regardless of your paddling ability, we offer kayaking in Fenville, Michigan for those of all skill levels. Choose an adventurous paddle on the Kalamazoo River through, or opt for a relaxing paddle on beautiful Hutchins Lake. Rediscover the scenic beauty of Michigan in the summer light from the unique vantage point of a paddleboard or kayak. Whatever type of trip you're looking for, we are your destination. We are a family-owned and operated business dedicated to providing a gateway to outdoor recreation opportunities in the Southeast Michigan area. We proudly support our local communities, and do all that we can to participate and coordinate opportunities for kids to experience the outdoors and connect with nature. Get ready to have fun, be fun, do fun. Call us for more details, 503-867-6293. Or visit our website, www.velocityadventuretours.com.